welcome back to the Opulent Life. This is Ozzy here with a fragrance review for you guys. Now, just like my watches, I have decided to take a bit of a different approach to reviewing fragrances too, where I will get the fragrance, I will try it on for a few days before I do the unboxing and review for you guys, so that you can have an accurate idea of what a fragrance feels like when you own it, when you go through not just the opening but the full dry down and base notes and how it feels like to actually own it. So without further delay, I will start today's review, and today we are doing the Salvatore Ferragamo Uomo fragrance. This is a 100 ml bottle, and I got this from Amazon for a very good price of around $60. So yeah, great deal, great discount. Ferragamo is focusing more on their new line of fragrances, and the Uomo is kind of taking a back seat, so that's why you can find it at discounters for good deals these days. And $60 for this one is amazing, as we're going to find out in a second. So looking at the packaging, you see Ferragamo written in a very unique style. I would like to say, like, letters on top of letters, more of a clutter design. And then you have Uomo and Salvatore Ferragamo written in silver as on the front. Then you have on the sides, it's basically a silver background on the front. Then you have black on the sides with Ferragamo on the top too. Some regulatory information, the contents, and barcode at the bottom. On the sides it's all black. The back is again silver background, Salvatore Ferragamo, their address, it's made in Italy, and that's it. So let's open it up. And then you actually have instructions on how to use the fragrance. So this is not a true unboxing, by the way, guys. If I forgot to mention, I've used it and I put it back into the box, and I'm showing you how it actually looks when you get it from the box. So that's why I preserved the box. I'll probably be trashing it after this and putting it in recycle actually. So yeah, so this is what it says. When it comes in, it comes with a safety clip. I've already removed and thrown away that. And then use press to spray. So that's how this works. And just take it out of the box. Nothing special about the packaging aside from these instructions, which you won't find them always. So that's that. And here's the bottle. Pretty cool design. You can see the Ferragamo written embossed on the sides the same way as it was on the front face of the box for the lettering. That's kind of cool, I think. Some people don't like it, some people think it's cheesy, but I kind of dig it. It's pretty cool, and it feels very nice in the hand. So you have a glass bottle, you have amber colored liquid, which is the fragrance itself. It's an eau de toilette, 100 mils, Uomo written on the front, and Salvatore Ferragamo written right underneath that. You have this sprayer, which has Salvatore Ferragamo written on the top with a gray metallic ring insert. Back is just plain see-through. On the bottom you have the batch and some information where it's manufactured, basically. So that's it, and this is the fragrance itself. As there was a ring here that I've removed, and this is how it sprays. You can see it has a very nice pressurized atomizer, as you can see. So very good projection, and it does a great job. Feels really nice in the hand. Looks really cool also. So that's for the bottle design. Now, what does it contain? So I'm going to read the notes. The notes are basically, you have top, middle, and base as usual. You have on the top notes, as I can smell it also, you have some black pepper, cardamom, and bergamot. Definitely that's a bit I can sense that in the opening. In the mid, you have tiramisu, orange blossom, and ambroxan. And the base notes, you have cashmere wood, sandalwood, and tonka bean. And I can say that in the opening, aside from what they've mentioned here as black pepper, cardamom, bergamot, I can actually feel the tiramisu and coffee notes in the opening as well. And it's rather sweet and gourmand. So it's really cool. It's really nice for, I would say, fall and winter usage. And you can use this as a daytime fragrance, evening fragrance, formal wear. You can even use it in the daytime. It's very versatile, and it's especially suitable for fall, winter. You know, I mean, I don't know if it would fare so well in summer or spring. Maybe early spring would be fine. But yeah, I would definitely keep this for the heavier winter months. It does come off as a little bit heavy in the projection in the beginning. So yeah, but it's very woody, very ambery, and I love this type of fragrance. So yeah, this definitely is the one where I can sense all the notes really clearly in the fragrance. Sometimes I have difficulty sensing the base notes until the dry down actually comes in. But in here, it looks like all of it is coming together very, very nicely. The perfumer behind this is Alberto Morillas, and this fragrance was launched in 2016. So yeah, it's been around for a while. Some people really like it, others have not given as much attention to it. And I think this is really nice, classic Italian design. It comes in 30 ml and 50 ml as well, but I chose to get the 100 ml. If you can get 100 ml for a good price, that should always be your best bet. And then main Accord is talking. I would classify this as a sweet, amber, spicy fragrance. It has some notes of vanilla in it as well, some musk and citrus as the backing, but that's definitely not front and center for sure on this one. So that's it for my review of the Salvatore Ferragamo Uomo. Let me know what you guys think, and stay tuned for the next review. Bye bye.